Hi, today we are gonna see usage of should. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs used to express necessity, possibility, permission, ability, or requests. Should specifically has several uses. First one is advice or recommendation. You should drink plenty of water every day to stay hydrated. To improve your writing skills, you should read more books and practice writing essays. If you're feeling stressed, you should consider taking a break and relaxing for a bit. When traveling to a new country, you should try the local cuisine for a unique experience. If you want to succeed in your career, you should continuously update your skills and knowledge. Next. Expectation or probability. She has studied extensively, so she should be well prepared for the presentation. With proper care, the plants should thrive in this sunny spot. The traffic is usually light at this time, so we should reach the airport on time. He finished the project ahead of schedule, so there should be no delays. If you follow the recipe, the cake should turn out delicious. Next. Obligation or duty. Employees should attend the mandatory training session next week. As a responsible pet owner, you should ensure your dog gets regular exercise. Students should submit their applications before the deadline. In a professional setting, you should adhere to the company's code of conduct. Drivers should obey traffic rules to ensure road safety. Next. Conditional sentences. First conditional. If you practice playing the piano every day, you should become a skilled pianist. Should you encounter any problems, please contact our customer support. If we leave now, we should catch the last train. Should the weather improve, we could have a picnic in the park. If you invest wisely, you should see a good return on your investment. Next. Expressing a hypothetical situation. If I were in your shoes, I should take the job offer. Should you win the lottery, what would you do with the money? If the situation were different, I should handle it differently. Should the opportunity arise, I would love to travel around the world. If I had known, should have offered to help. Next. Polite requests or offers. Should I hold the door for you? Should you need any assistance, feel free to ask. If you're unsure about the directions, should I guide you? Should I bring anything to the party? Should you decide to join us, we would be delighted. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.